Good morning, students. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. All of you fine? Okay. Today we will teach you houses we live. Our new lesson is houses we live. Houses we live. Okay. Where we live? You know where we live? Yes, we live in houses. We have seen different types of houses. We see different types of houses. Today we are discussing about different types of houses. First one, Pakka house. Pakka house. Pakka house. Pakka house for the example is bungalow or flats. Bungalow or Pakka houses is the example is bungalow or bungalow and flats. Bungalow and flats. The houses, this type of houses is made by bricks, cement, wood, etc. This is Pakka houses is made of cement, bricks, iron, wood, etc. Okay. Then these houses cannot be moved from one places to another places. Okay. Then bungalow is a big house. Bungalow is a big house. Then it is made up of cement and bricks. Bungalow is made cement and bricks. Then it has many rooms. In bungalow, it has many rooms. Sit out, dining room, living room, bedrooms, kitchen, etc. Okay, these types of houses are called what's bungalow. Then next one, flats. Flats. What is flats? Yes, many people also living in a building with many floors. Many people also living in a big building in many floors. Each floors are generally 2 or 3 flats. Each floors are generally 2 or 3 flats. Okay. In flats we are seeing in town areas. I will show you some pictures of bungalow and flats, etc. Okay. Then next, Kacha house. In these types of houses we can see in villages. This type of houses we can see in villages. In Kacha houses is made up of wood, mud, straw, then bamboo, grass, etc. Okay, this is a small type of houses. For example of Kacha house is hut. Okay, then next different types of houses. First one, sloping roof house. Houses in hill areas have sloping roofs so that snow slides and falls on the ground. One of the important houses is sloping roof house. This is seen in hill areas. In this type of house, roofs are slope type. Okay, then next we study about huts. Huts is a small type of houses. Then it's made up of mud, then grass, straw, etc. Then this type of houses is mostly found in villages. In villages, we can see in this type of houses. Which type? Yes, what's huts? Okay, then next type of house is houseboat. You see houseboats? Yes, in houseboats are built on boats. In houseboats are built on boats. They are known as floating houses. In houseboat are also known as floating boats. Houseboats are made of wood and move on lake. Houseboats are made of wood and it's move on lake. Okay, I will show you some pictures of houses, huts, houseboat. Then next one we study about tents. What is tents? Tents. These types of tents are used in soldiers or campers. In these types of house are used soldiers and campers. Okay. When they move, they fold their tents. When they move, they fold their tents and take these along with them. Okay. They are tents house is also called a temporary house. Tents house are also known as a temporary house. Okay, you understood? Okay, then next one, caravans. Caravans. I will show you pictures of caravans, tents, houseboat, etc. Then people also live in the houses built on the wheels. In this caravans is move from one place to another place. These types of house are built on wheels. Okay, these types of house can move from one place to another place. Then next one, igloo. 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 Igloo is a small round shaped houses. It's made of ice and hard types of snow. It's made of hard type of snow or ice. Then Eskimos is used to igloo houses. Eskimos is used in igloo houses. Okay. Then next one, stilt houses. Stilt houses. In these types of houses are built on slits or pair of poles with the forest. We can see this type of houses in forest. Then they help to protect them from floods and rainstorm. In forests is used these stilt type of houses. They protect from floods and rainstorms. Okay students, all of you understood? In this lesson we study about different types of houses, Pakka houses and Kacha house. Pakka houses is bungalow and flat. Okay, then Kacha house is the example of huts. Then we study about the different types of houses. First we study sloping roof of houses. Sloping roof of houses. In this type of house, roof is looking slope. Then next we study hut. Hut is mainly we can see in villages. This type of huts is made by wood, grass, mud, etc. Then next we study boat house. Houseboats are built on boat. It can move on lake. In houseboat, move on lake. Then next, tents. Tents are used in soldiers and campers. It is a temporary house. Then next one we study caravans. Caravans is built on wheels. It is moved from one place to another place. Then next we study about igloo. Igloo houses is small houses. It is looking small. It's made of hard snow or ice. Eskimos is used in igloo houses. Okay. Then next stilt house. In foresters is used in stilt houses. They protect from rainstorm and floods. Okay student. Oh, this lesson is finished. So let us wind up our class. Okay. Thank you.